Welcome to Entertaining Quiz. Are you ready to test your sports knowledge with the ultimate sports emoji quiz for beginners? We've got 25 fun emoji-based questions coming your way. Let's dive in and see how many you can get right. Ready? Here we go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun quizzes and challenges. Can you guess the sport? Answer: soccer. Can you guess the sport? Answer: basketball. Can you guess the sport? Answer: American football. Can you guess the sport? Answer: tennis. Can you guess the sport? Answer: baseball. Can you guess the sport? Answer: golf. Can you guess the sport? Answer: swimming. Can you guess the sport? Answer: cycling. Can you guess the sport? Answer: skiing. Can you guess the sport? Answer: volleyball. Can you guess the sport? Answer: boxing. Can you guess the sport? Answer: ice hockey. Can you guess the sport? Answer: rugby. Can you guess the sport? Answer: gymnastics. Can you guess the sport? Answer, archery. Can you guess the sport? Answer, wrestling. Can you guess the sport? Answer, ski jumping. Can you guess the sport? Answer, surfing. Can you guess the sport? Answer, fencing. Can you guess the sport? Answer, horse racing. Can you guess the sport? Answer, cricket. Can you guess the sport? Answer, badminton. Can you guess the sport? Answer, table tennis. Can you guess the sport? Answer, karate. Can you guess the sport? Answer, bowling. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, if you enjoyed this quiz and want to see more, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest quizzes and fun content. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you in the next video.